Let's talk about JDK mission control. This is when we put JMC Java in search engine, we can find Java mission control. So what it is? This is open source Java flight recorder and complete tool chain to continuously collect low-level and detailed runtime information. So we can use it for Eclipse. We can use as plugin. We can download. Here is getting started guide, and here is release notes. Here is demonstration and release notes. Let's navigate. So what inside we can find different issues which they have. Okay, so next let's download it. So 8 night. So we need to, here is for Linux, for Mac and for Windows. It's only 94 megabytes. Let's download it. I review it, license agreement, and download it. So I pause. So it's already downloaded. So here is Java components, index.html, and we can find JDK mission control. And here is link to documentation. Let's open it. So here is command reference, advanced set of tools for managing, monitoring, profiling, and troubleshooting Java applications. So we use 9. Here's user guide. You can review it. Next page. So audience working. Here is extension, some flags to connect. So service, this is command to how to connect. So a lot of information. Here is about flight recorder, how to work with it, started flight recorder, exception, dump, thread dump. So okay, let's return back to our downloads. So it is JMC. Here is legal and JMC itself. Okay, what we do, we just copy it to our disk C. So let's copy it. So JMC, if we navigate, so here it is, application, we can create a shortcut and send it to desktop. So to have opportunity to run it from there. Okay, so it ran. Let's wait. So what inside we can see. So we have a console. So get restore. So we can view some information, view runtime information, beans, create triggers, quick overview. Okay, let's connect to it. Okay, what we have here? We have a dashboard. Here is Java heap memory, JVM CPI, and fragmentation, so we can select and deselect some information about memory. So here we have JMX. So okay, let's here's MBIN server. Let's open it. Here's MBIN browser. We can review information. Trading. We also very interested in this. So operation, notification, metadata, exception, JMC agent. So we jar, target, okay, and flight recorder. This is for record profiling. Okay, so let's cancel. That's all most important things. So here we have trigger system, memory, threads, diagnostic commands. So we can execute this command. Okay, VM info, for example. Let's execute and it return result. So it show processes, threads, heaps, a lot of information. So VM flags, of course, we can do. So here we can see all the flag for this VM. That's all.